the 2 oars outside.
Yeah.
You get 100 a pair. Would you consider 150 for the group of 4? All right, checking out an estate sale this morning. We'll see how it is.
Yeah, not her.
I didn't see a tag on this. Can I set it aside somewhere? Okay, thank you. Wow. Let's keep going. It's the only basement I've ever seen.
Excuse me.
Sure, no problem. Yeah, interesting basement.
Yeah, I know.
They redid it.
Do you know how much the Macintosh is? I didn't see a tag.
50.
50 on the computer? Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
All right, thank you.
I know, that's cool, isn't it?
An antibiotic for you. Because it was not getting any better.
Are you all set?
I think so, yeah. If you can total me up if you get a chance. So I have,
You wanna do it?
Yeah, I can do it.
There you go, hon.
I think these two are marked $1 each in that pile, right? The records and the, yeah. And there's 5 books, 2 paperback, 3
So
hardback.
this was 2015. 25.
Yep.
7 years later.
Wow. Beautiful.
Yeah.
I was curious also, you had the 2 oars outside.
Yeah.
You get 100 a pair. Would you consider 150 for the group of 4?
I can take down your name and number if
Okay.
you, but I'm selling the boat, the trailer, the oars, and the engine, the motor.
Okay.
For right now, it's at 2,500.
Okay.
And I would negotiate significantly if you would be interested. Are you just buying oars to buy oars?
Yeah, just like a decorator piece, not
Yeah.
necessarily the, yeah.
Yeah, so I can take down your name and number.
Okay, I saw there was oars out top. Is that a separate group? I didn't go up there, but I saw them laying on the grass.
Probably, yeah. You mean down there?
I mean the ones that are standing up. They're marked $100 a pair, right on the walkway right here. Not by the boat.
Oh, not
Yeah,
by the
there's-
boat.
There's another thing. about
Okay, and what are you offering on that?
150. You had, there was 4 of them altogether. You had $100 a pair on them.
And so it would be 400 and you're offering 150.
No, it would be 200. You had 100 a pair,
Oh, and
and there's 4 total. I mean 2 pairs. Yeah.
So I guess yes.
might have to go
Yes,
outside
I
Okay.
would.
and do it.
Okay,
Yes, I would.
I'll do that. Thank you.
Okay.
Do you make videos?
I do, yeah.
Do you put them on YouTube or Facebook?
YouTube. Yep. Yeah.
My grandma sends me stuff like that.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I do basically buy sports stuff, but I don't really find much sports at estate sales. But I have antique shops out in Adamstown, so I do a lot of like decorator stuff.
really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
There.
yeah. It's fun. It's like a hobby. I have a full-time job too, but this takes up a lot of time. Great. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Sure. I'm gonna.
All right. So at this estate sale, didn't pick up anything sports related, but I bought a decent group of stuff. I bought a group of books and a couple Disney records. I think it was $13 for that group there. The books will go on Amazon. Records I'll put in my antique shop. I think the cooler piece I picked up there is an early, I think 1987 Macintosh Plus computer with the original keyboard. I'm going to plug it in a moment and see if it works. But I briefly comped it out at the sale. It looks like they do pretty well, but obviously if it works is a lot better. So I will show you that in a minute. I'm going to plug that in. And then I bought a group of 4 large oars. They're like 7 feet long. They were marked $100 for each pair. I offered her $150 for the 4 of them, and she did accept that. And they were by a company called Shaw and Taney of Maine. Comping them out, they do pretty well. I mean, I saw some that were $150 to up to $2 something per pair, but shipping them is not easy. I'm going to put them in my antique shop, probably more for like a decorator piece for someone than to be used. They do sell well online, but I don't feel like trying to pack them up. And the estate sale was run by a company called Fix to Move. I'm going to put a link to their site in my description below, but it was a great sale, great pricing. Definitely recommend checking them out. And the estate was awesome. The house, very unique. The basement, the like meandering rooms everywhere, like sort of tunnels going everywhere. And same for the attic. The attic was pretty cool, all the little nooks and crannies. So definitely a neat old house, like a 19th century house. Even had a little old schoolhouse building on the property. Wasn't really anything in there to buy, but still very cool. So I did plug it in and it does work, which definitely helps the value. That black scrolling part that shows up on the video is not on the screen. Looks like it's all functioning there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.